Welcome to NextGen Auto Tech, the hub for everything futuristic on four wheels. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Rivian R1T, a truck that's redefining what electric performance, adventure, and innovation truly mean. The R1T isn't just an EV pickup. It's a statement of next-generation engineering built for those who crave power, tech, and sustainability in one stunning package. The 2025 model continues Rivian's tradition of bold design, combining aerodynamic lines with rugged appeal, signature LED light bars, and a refreshed front fascia that looks sleek yet tough. Beneath its minimalist design lies astonishing capability, powered by dual or quad electric motor setups, delivering up to 835 horsepower and 908 lb-ft of torque. The R1T rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest trucks ever built. Rivian's large battery pack options now offer an impressive range of up to 400 miles, with faster DC charging and improved energy efficiency, making long-distance adventures easier than ever. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury lounge on wheels, featuring sustainable materials, vegan leather upholstery, a massive 15.6-inch central touchscreen, and a fully digital driver display. The updated Rivian OS interface is smooth and responsive, offering over-the-air updates, navigation, media control, and full smartphone integration. Adventure-focused storage options like the gear tunnel, front trunk, and power outlets make it perfect for camping, hauling, or work trips. The R1T's air suspension system automatically adjusts ride height for different terrains, while its off-road driving modes and wading depth of over 3 feet ensure it's ready for any challenge. Safety and convenience are boosted with Rivian Driver Plus, which includes adaptive cruise, lane assist, collision prevention, and hands-free driving features. Whether you're taking on the wilderness or cruising city streets, the R1T balances raw electric power with unmatched refinement. The 2025 Rivian R1T stands as a true symbol of the future, powerful, intelligent, and eco-conscious. It's built for those who believe adventure shouldn't come at the cost of the planet. With its combination of strength, luxury, and sustainability, the R1T doesn't just move you, it inspires you. Thanks for watching NextGen Auto Tech. Make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates from the electrifying world of next-generation vehicles.